Hey, what's up, Vechain Holders? So it's game over completely. In this video is going to be very informative for all of you, my brother, because I pretty care this one. I share opinion, and I will tell you, my brothers, to if you watch this video, so you 100% never lost, my brother, because the current condition is going to be very critical for Vechain holder, and every holder are starting selling because he said he completely know this, my friends. To Vechain will fails down, so therefore they cannot recover his loss, my brother, and they'll completely fails down. But I think you are completely wrong, and I will give you 100% guarantee, my brother, to if you follow ABS Tech channel, you never lost, my brother. So 10,000 people are subscribed, my friend, subscribe our YouTube channel. So it's mean to 10,000 people trust on ABS Tech channel. So why you are not trusting on ABS Tech channel? Kindly subscribe this channel and please make sure to press the bell icon for videos notification. This time the Vechain price is decreasing, my friend, from last 7 days, last 24 hours, last 1 hour. Definitely, my friend, when a holder are starting selling, so the coin will be fails down, and this time the price is 0.07 USD dollars. So make sure, my brothers, to after fails, every cryptocurrency will take a very huge jump now. So therefore I know, my brothers, to upcoming time they will go in the moon now. So therefore if you hold it, so I hope they will give you a profit. But if you starting selling, so remember, my brothers, to they cannot give you a profit and you are completely in the loss now. Vechain holder, one thing more, my friend, I want to tell you, especially at the end of month every cryptocurrency will moving upward now, but in the start of first week, my friend, especially in the start of every month first week, they will fails down very badly now. So therefore be alert to at the end of month, especially at the night time, my friend, you go now and sell it. Don't wait for the end, my friend, tomorrow, my brother. Just only sell it and take a very good profit now. Let's see, my brothers, to what's going on. But kindly, before I will tell you, my brothers, the opinion, please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So opinion is simply, my friends, to please hold it and don't sell it. And if you want to research personally, then this will be very good, my friend, for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.